Hey everybody, I want to thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we're just going to be making double chocolate cookies. Okay, so before we get started, I want to introduce you to two of my daughters, Emery and Erin, and there I go. Hey. Okay, so they wanted to help out today, so we're going to get started. What you're going to need are 2 sticks of butter, some vanilla, cocoa powder, semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 eggs, baking soda, salt, sugar, and some unbleached all-purpose flour, a mixer, 2 bowls, a measuring cup, and a baking pan. Okay, so I'm going to begin by opening up the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you're just going to pour about a half a cup into a measuring cup, and you're going to microwave that on 30 seconds. But I actually warmed it up on 30 seconds and it didn't really, even melt them that good, so I did it for another 30 seconds. So yeah, I'm gonna just pour it in this cup right here and throw that in the microwave. So you're going to set that aside and let it cool. So while that's cooling off, we're going to take our sugar, and you're going to need about 1.5 cups of sugar. And also I realized that after I ate these cookies that they weren't that sweet. So if you like a more sweeter cookie, you can actually maybe make about 2 cups or use about 2 cups of sugar. But right here I'd use 1.5. So they weren't too sweet. Okay, but they were still good. So we're going to add that to the bowl. And then next we're going to add our butter to the pan. I'm sorry, to the bowl. So we'll go Emery helping out with that. And then it's Erin's turn. Okay, so 2 sticks of butter equals 1 cup of butter. Then we're going to take our vanilla and take 2 teaspoons of that. So once you have that in the bowl, you're going to mix it until it's light and fluffy. Okay. So once that's mixed in all good and it's a good consistency, nice and fluffy, you're going to go ahead and take your cooled off melted chocolate chips and add those next. So right here I'm just adding my cooled down microwaved chocolate chips into the mixture of the sugar, butter, and vanilla. So you're going to take a spoon and mix that in, and then you're going to get ready to add your 2 eggs. So right here I'm just adding it into a separate cup so no shells or anything won't break off into the mixture. So, just to make it easier. So go ahead and add that in. Okay, and then you're going to take your mixer and blend that in. So once you're done that, you're going to get started with your dry ingredients, which is your flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. So we're going to add that all into a separate bowl. That's the cocoa powder. Of salt. go ahead and mix that in really well. When everything gets nice and mixed in and blended, you're going to stir in your remainder of the chocolate chips. And you can always add more chocolate chips if you would like. But if not, you can stick to the recipe and just go ahead and add the remainder of the ones that you had earlier. So take that, and I believe that's, yeah, you put that on low speed, and once it's all mixed in and blended together, then that's when you add your chocolate chips. Alright, we're almost there. Chocolate chips. It wasn't really enough for me, but I actually only bought one bag, and the recipe and everything you need is going to be in the description, but it was actually a 1 12-ounce semi-sweet bag. So we're going to place them on a pan about 2 inches apart, and you're going to put your oven on 375. Actually, preheat your oven before you start this. Okay, and this recipe actually made about 28 cookies. And so now we're just going to go ahead and place them on the plate. And there you have it. Nice, easy, double chocolate cookies. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.